Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable designing a portfolio with Behance branding step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Behance website. If you don't have an account, click on Sign Up to create one. If you already have an account, click on Log In. Once logged in, look for the Portfolio option in the main menu. Click on the Portfolio button to access your portfolio settings. In the Portfolio settings, choose Edit your portfolio to start customizing. Select a template that aligns with your personal branding. Upload your profile picture to add a personal touch. Fill in your bio with a concise description of your skills and interests. Choose projects to feature by clicking on Add Project. For each project, include high-quality images and descriptions. Be sure to highlight your role and the techniques used in each piece. Organize your projects in a logical order that showcases your best work first. Adjust the layout settings to fit your aesthetic preferences. Consider enabling the Showcase feature to make your portfolio more dynamic. Preview your portfolio to see how it looks to visitors. Make any necessary adjustments before finalizing the design. Once satisfied, click on Publish to make your portfolio live. Share the link to your portfolio across your professional networks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.